Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to dominate Block Blast and hit those high scores, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 quick and easy tips to help you rack up those points fast and become a Block Blast pro. So let's go dive right in. So here are 5 quick tips to help you get a super high score and fast in Block Blast. So tip number 1 is to focus on clearing multiple lines. Aim to clear multiple lines at once instead of just one, as this will give you a higher score boost. Tip number 2. Use combos. Set up moves that create chain reactions or combos to multiply your score with consecutive clears. Tip number 3. Save power-ups for big moves. Don't use power-ups right away. Save them for critical moments to maximize their effect. For tip number 4 is to look ahead for future moves. Always plan your next move by looking at how current blocks placements affect the board and set up larger clears. Tip number 5 and the last one is to prioritize larger block groups. Clear larger groups or blocks over smaller ones to get more points in a single move. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you get those insane high scores in Block Blast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!